Today I'm going to make a little nest box for my hens that are loose out and about in the yard, just in case they're over here and need to lay an egg. They don't have to run all the way back over to the coop. So let's go. This is a recycled board I'm using just because it's good enough for a chicken egg box. You can see it has a little bit of termite damage on it. And it also has a few nails on the ends. And I'm too lazy to get the hammer and get them out, so I'm just going to cut these ends off. So I like to make my nest boxes 12 by 12, so the chickens have enough room to get in there. So I'm going to cut 4 12 by 12 pieces of wood, and then I'm just going to like build this little box out of it and make the little nest box and put some hay in there for the little chickens, the little hens. These newer hens I have, look at the rooster. These newer hens I have walking around here, they're going to be laying any minute. All right, so now I'm going to cut these 4 pieces. Whoopsie. I'm going to use this for the back because I have to hang it. There's going to be a lot of chickens jumping up and down, so we need it sturdy. Okay, so I'm going to hang it before I put the roof on it. This is the tricky part. That's plywood. I don't want to hang it in the plywood. Oh. There we go. Now I'm just going to put a couple nails in this board. I want to make sure it's on here good. And I'm going to put this right there so they can boink, boink. Now this we want on here pretty good because, you know, there's going to be a big fat chicken hanging off it. Get it on there pretty good. We don't want them to jump on there and fall because then they're going to be nervous to jump back in the box again. Okay, so the last step is I'm going to put some wood chips in here. I normally do hay, but I have all these wood chips left over, so I'm going to see if they like these. If not, I'll just get them all out and I'll just put hay in there, but we'll see. Maybe I'll do a little of both. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of hay as well. The hay, they'll see the hay and that'll make them curious and they'll jump up here and check and see. And the thing about chickens is you want to like pick them up and put them in there and be like, look, get in here, lay an egg. But the more you do that, the more they're like, no, no. So you do have to kind of let them just find it on their own, which thankfully chickens are nosy and curious. So they will. You got to leave this out a ways because they need room to flap and jump up in there. Can't put it directly under it because it's not a ladder. All right, we'll see. I'm going to get a sign and I'm going to say open for business. All right, so that's the next thing I'm doing on my little chicken play station. So I have another thing I'm going to make right now. It's just going to take a few minutes. So it's going to be a perch. I want a perch that goes all the way across here. I want to make it kind of like a jungle gym for them. So that's what I'm going to go do real quick right now. When you have a long span like this, I took these 1x4s and I put 2 of them together. So that way it's long ways, and what that will do is it'll help it not warp since it's such a long span between the 2 sides. Tick, 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 tick. If you want to learn all about chickens and how to take care of them, you can buy my book, Becky's Guide to Raising Backyard Chickens. You can click the link below to check it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.